Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm having mudcrab mukbang. So I have my feed here. Have a look. It's a mudcrab. I went and caught at the shopping centre today. I arm wrestled it and everything. Nah. Anyway, guys, here's my lovely feed. I just finished making this. So the video will drop on FAYE Cooks. So go to FAYE Cooks if you want to know how I made this. But today is the mukbang. Mudcrab mukbang, guys. And I have jasmine rice. Jasmine rice. Look. Yummy. And I got this bun, just in case that I want to dip it into the sauce. I got a boost. And I got water. You know, sometimes food can get rich, and with the water, it cuts it. Like it cuts it. So I'll get it ready. Everyone been? How's everyone? Huh? Yeah. Wā mai o tō. I say, so talo. Guys, see the video tomorrow and see how I made it, okay? But for now, it's time to eat. It's gonna get messy. I should have worn a bib. Ooh, look. Here's the meat inside. When I think about it, I should have got 2 mudcrab, because looking at this mudcrab don't look enough. Yeah, take the first bite, guys. Yum. This is so easy to make, guys. If you see a mudcrab that you want, or even crabs, guys, when you go to my channel at FAYE Cooks and see how I made this, you probably will be going to look for you some crabs to cook. I went to hammer this claw because the people at the fish place didn't do it. So, that. I'm gonna put this down here so I can show you guys. Okay. Yeah. So look at that. That's a big meat there. Sweetie too. going to use this to push it through. Hey guys, what about 2021? Are you guys planning to start you a channel? Yeah. I know everyone's like into TikTok and Instagram. I really still don't understand anything about the TikTok and Instagram. I see a lot of people dancing in it, and then I guess even a lot of islanders, which is cool. So I enjoy the watch sometimes, because I wasn't even paying any attention to TikTok. But it was my sister in Melbourne. She asked me, do you go on TikTok? I go, no. She goes, you don't. Go and get the girls to make you an account. You go, and it's so much fun to watch. But I didn't listen to it straight away. But that's the thing about the younger generation. They sort of kind of like don't want their folks to have an account. It reminds me of when I wanted to do YouTube, and my kids wouldn't start me up YouTube. But I was so interested to do YouTube that I forced one of them to come and make me an account. I mean, I don't know what's the big deal, why they don't want their mama to be on TikTok. Not that I'm interested anyway, to tell you the truth. Someone's at the door. What happened?
She come for her noodle box.
She come for a noodle box. I'm having some mudcrab matcha. You want some? Yeah. They're not really seafood people. They're missing out. Missing out. Well, it means much more for me. Oh, the sauce is so lovely. I put the sauce together, guys. So don't forget, if you want to watch it. This is fun. This is fun, guys. Look at that. Let me. Man. My mum, she doesn't eat crabs. Their church don't eat crabs. Oh, you can really taste the ginger here. these these cabbage. Did anyone start a New Year's resolution, like plan something? I remember 2 years in a row I started one, and of course, by the time March came along, I've forgotten all about it. Yeah, I think all you have to do is set a goal, and if you're super serious about it, and then you ask God for your permission, you know, to guide you along. Because I tell you what, guys, you ask for God's guidance, man, oh man. Rude car, rude. There used to be this car that used to go revving past our street sometimes, but they've moved out now, so my husband said he was on his way to his car after work, and there was these three island boys walking alongside of him, and they called out to him and asked him what was he having for dinner. Like, what was his wife making for dinner? And he said, oh, I don't know yet, I gotta get home and see what she's made. And then one of them said, yeah, because my wife, she enjoys watching your wife's video. And every time your wife's video comes up, she's watching it. So, thank you very much, whoever that is that mentioned that to my husband. Ngari la ia. Ngari la ia wa wa le han kia. Ngai la ia. Ai. Ngoi to pe sho mi kia. Ia, koe pe. Nē te lea pasi mori marapauka ka me e furu ai. Oh, yummy. Yeah, so thank you so much whoever mentioned it to my husband. Oh, my husband said there's a you know what, I don't know how that fly got in here. Because our air conditioning's on, so that means all the windows are closed, doors. Oh, that's right, my daughter just walked in. So she had a little friend follow her inside. I can't take my mind off, I just want to throw my jandal at it. Yeah, you stay over there. Won't you come over here? Yeah, I mean it. I'll turn off the camera and we'll have a fight. What was I saying before I was really interrupted by this fly? Oh yeah. So my husband said, there's a girl that they work with named Yvonne, and she always says hello. And like, she's the one that mentions that she watches my channel. So hello to you, Yvonne. Thank you for watching my channel, as well as the other staff member's wife. Thank you, guys. Thank you all so very much. You know, and for your fellow support to all our channels that, you know, really help boost up, and it's an uplifting thing to know that our Poly people watch and support on the sideline. Oh, thank you so, so much. And I hope you guys all have a really good year, 2021. My son was saying, in 6 months' time, they're going to be like giving, they'll be like opening up the borders slowly, and only those who get the injection can hop on the plane. But I told you guys, I've been telling you guys, no matter how we say, I'm not going to get an injection, I'm not going to get, no, you are. Because otherwise, they're not going to allow you to do anything without that injection. And you know what? There's that injection, you know, I've been telling you guys, no matter what, we're going to get that injection. It's just what the Bible said, guys. So, it's not our thing, you know. So, unfortunately, like I said before, China, it just came through China. But I'm telling you, it's in the Bible. It was going to happen. It was bound to happen, and it did happen. So now, the injection, like it says in the Bible, how you're going to need this number that they're going to inject into your hand or whatever to buy your groceries, to do anything, you know. So my son was saying, my son goes, yeah, when they open the border, I want to go to New Zealand. And then he says, but I'm not going to get the injection though. Excuse you. There goes that fly again. Guys, if I turn off the cat. See, fly, see what you've done? See? It's so nice. Before you swallow it, make sure you chew it properly because you've got to feel that long string. Oh, anyway, my poor husband, he's dying to go to New Zealand. Now that he heard that his other brother, Aotea, is now over in New Zealand, and his brother Wes rang up the other day. My brother-in-law, his name is John Wesley, but they mainly call him Wes. So that's what my husband wanted to name his son Noah. Wes, the second name. Yeah, so my husband's brother rang up and go, Ta, because that's my husband's short name, short for Tangaroa. Ta, he said, there's a snapper here with your name on it. So I said to my husband, is he trying to tease you? He knows the border's closed. But, guys, and then after that my husband goes, I don't want to live in Australia anymore. I want to go to New Zealand. And I go, excuse you, yeah, go to New Zealand, and then he'll go fishing all the time and I'm stuck at home recording. Anyway, it's not easy for me to go anywhere, guys. My kids are here in Australia. None of my kids are out. All my kids are here in Australia. This is so lovely. So nice, guys. Do you know before, my husband used to buy mudcrab all the time. And the funny thing is, he used to buy nearly every single child that wanted a mudcrab, their own crab. Yeah. So it used to get all boiled, and then they all sat around the table and ate their crabs. But after a while, it got a bit like, you know how you had to fish for it for ages just to get a bit of meat? Yeah, it got that. Yeah, so eventually they grew up and started eating what they wanted to eat, which is not fun because it's only mostly takeaway. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, guys. So if the border opens and you want to travel, where would you like to go first? I know my one. Mine is Cook Island. Come here, come here. Oh, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me, Crab. Yum. Okay, I'll push it out that way. My lucky last bit of meat. Please come out properly. Yeah, so yeah, I'd love to go Cook Island first. Okay, Cook Island and then New Zealand to see family and my friend, my very good friend, my bestie, Tere. Her name is Tere Elia. Yep. Do you know every time I visit New Zealand, if I can, she's the one I visit more than anyone. Yeah. Yeah, she's the one I always go and visit. She stays in Mangere. Yeah. Because we used to go to school together, you see. And then their house caught on fire. This was back in 1982, I think. I think it's 1982. Their house caught on fire and then they got another house out of Mangere. So that like sort of parted us for a couple of years. So that put a distance between me and my buddy. But it's not that we never meet up and hang out. No. You know, friends, you're gonna find a way to see your buddy. Yeah. Anyway, guys, as you can see, it's only saucy left. All the mud crab is gone. Praise the good Lord for this beautiful food that I had today. Next time, I'll remember getting 2 mud crab, not 1. Hey! But you guys have been the best audience as always. Thanks for hanging out. Ya vaila ya. Ngale ingi falawa ale ole de me de se ngale mic mau me. If my husband was here, it was like, leave it for me. Leave it for the rubbish man. Bye guys. You guys all take care. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go to FAYE Cooks tomorrow. I'll drop the video how I make this. There's other videos that I've put there too, guys. It's only about, did I fry? There's only about 4. But go over and have a look. There might be something there that you've been wanting to make and you've never made it. And you can learn from there. Okay, guys? But as for now, I'm saying sayonara, take care, look after one another, fasui. Bye. God bless. God bless.